Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Thar for service, and this is the vehicle which has come for the service at the moment. So right now complete engine oil is being drained out on this vehicle, and we have serviced turbo intercooler in this, and we have added a brand new Hella engine oil in this. So we are using a 15W40 engine oil in this, and complete servicing is done on this vehicle at the moment. Brake pads have been replaced, and brand new coolant has been added on this vehicle. So right now I'll be showing you the coolants also which we are using. We are using a Hella coolant in this, and you can just have a look at the old air filter which has been completely replaced to a brand new one, and this is the old air filter. So for any kinds of queries or any kinds of upgrades, you can just WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number. And this is a CJ500 which is getting completely restored, and painting is being done on this vehicle at the moment. We have updated with a DI turbo engine in this, and power steering has been added, disc brakes have been added. So stay tuned, soon this vehicle will be upgraded and it will be delivered to the customer. So for more details, WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 98866799617. We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.